Not even that. You can say that again. I just humbly wish that all of that hope one day. I really can't wait for the day I will ascend the throne.
You are my king already. Come on, fit it.
Honey! Hey!
Honey, go ahead.
What is going on there? You are a thief!
I love it.
You want to steal my birthright? Are you okay? How dare you? Are you running mad? My crown? My rights? How dare you pick up my crown?
Hey, you need to take a chill pill. I should be asking you if you're running.
Are you talking back at me? Why?
Strange things are happening, so many unspeakable things. So who's to be blamed? Who's that chosen king? Strange things are happening, so many unspeakable things. So who's to be blamed? Who's that chosen king?
Gadagidi. Hey. Mama Kwanonibu. Eze Gadagidi. Arise. Arise with the sun. Ikanyangu. Odikwana inaro. Hey. Arise, my king. Arise the day of oh yes! Arise with the strength that you bear from within. The heart of a lion. Aguna Chamber. Rise, my king. Rise like the sun from the east. Rise. The lion of my fathers. Rise! Guards! 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 No. Guards! This is not normal. Guards! This is strange. This is strange. A man of my caliber waking up without no mates, no guards in the palace. Something is not right. This is not normal. Where are they? Not the guards, not the maids. What about my wife? Something is not right. No.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. We wish you long life. We wish you long life. We wish you long life. We wish you long life.
Thank you so much.
Wonderful.
Wow. This is amazing.
Yes.
Thank you.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Oh,
Oh no.
yes.
Oh, I'm so happy to see
Yes.
you.
I am part of it.
Happy blessed birthday to you, Ogadagidi, the third of Ogazi Kingdom. The Ohamadike of Ogazi Kingdom. The Eku Aneme Ogazi Kingdom.
Thank you so much. I'm so proud of all of you.
Happy birthday, Dad. Just like Mom has said, may your reign last forever. I wish you long life and, of course, in good health. And I pray that when it's time for me to ascend the throne, that I'll have the wisdom to rule our people like you.
I told you I'm not ready to die soon. Eh? Come on. Thank you.
Same wisdom you have. Same wisdom you have. Is everything all right with Mom?
I think we should just get out the refreshment or something.
Ogadagidi, I don't know what the hell is going on in Chike's head, but I want you to correct that madness before it becomes too late.
Excuse me, what madness are you talking about?
Ogadagidi, don't even give me that look as if you don't know what is going on. How can Chike wake up one morning and pronounce himself as the heir apparent to the throne? For what? When my own son, Emeka, is still alive and healthy. Onapuala, is he mad?
Is Chike not your son?
If you want me to spell it out to you, Chike is not my son. Yes, I am not the one that bettered him. Both of them might be born same day, same time, but they are not twins. And the only queen standing in this palace is me. So, my son must be named the heir apparent to the throne.
Do you want to name your son the king?
Ogadagide, of course you know what I'm capable of doing. If you don't name my son the heir apparent to the throne, I will do that. It's better you call the people, let them know who your successor is. Let's end this madness once and for all.
No, woman. You do not have the powers to do that.
Says who?
Listen. I am the greatest king that ever ruled this kingdom. I do not even have the powers to do that. Only the chief priest has the power to name the next king of this kingdom. Do you understand?
Yes. I mean, that was very, very entertaining.
Yes.
I enjoyed myself. Brother, do you know that if not for what happened, I almost forgot that today was Father's birthday?
Exactly, because that prank from mother was something else.
It was such a beautiful sight to behold.
Yeah.
I saw how father was on the throne. He was super happy.
And I almost spilled it to him when talking to him yesterday.
What?
I almost.
I would have skinned you alive without minding your beautiful face. Yes.
But all the same, it's a good one.
Yes.
It's something we can't forget in a hurry.
Not at
Yeah.
He deserves it. If I am not mistaken, I thought you asked the chef to, prepare this table, fruit and food, so we can continue in that merriment mood.
Thankful to the gods that your father is a king. You would have been broke by now.
What would you have me do?
I'm just saying, there is something wrong with that woman. I'm sure of it. Oh my God, she's so mean. I mean, what has Chike ever done to her? Why is she being so mean to him?
Prince Chike, show some respect. He's a prince.
Why are you opening eyes for me? Is it not the same person that said you can address him as Chike? So what is your problem?
That does not mean you should lose the respect.
Oh, tell her. Tell her.
As I was saying.
You were saying what? Every time you say as I was saying, at the end of the day, you will not say anything.
I wonder.
Carrying bombo up and down the whole palace.
Are you talking to me?
No, I'm talking to the wall.
Oh, you know what? I don't really blame people because it is me that stooped so low. I forgot my position. I stooped low to come and talk to you people. I don't blame you. Go back to your duty. I'm here to supervise you.
Supervisor, better come and help me. Let's start cooking this.
I wish.
Mother, are you okay? Mom, what's bothering you?
What is it? What do you want? I am not your mother. Did you hear me? I am not your useless, senseless, worthless, stupid mother. I am not. If you want to see your mother, go somewhere out there. You will see her in the grave. Do to her, talk to her, tell her whatever you want. Not me. Next time you call me mother, you will see what will happen to you. Anon power.
Actually, I've had so much to drink already and I'm beginning to get tipsy. I think I need water now. Don't come for me because you said I eat and I drink too much. Yes.
I wasn't trying to talk to you.
But why did you drink much?
Man, what am I supposed to do? Like, it is...
And is everything okay?
Brother, why is your face looking so confused, annoyed, and what I can't even tell? What is the matter?
Look, I honestly don't know what all this is all about. I saw Mother worried. I approached her, trying to know what is wrong with her, only for her to tell me to my face that she's not my mother. That if I want my mother, I should go to the grave and see my mother. Why would she talk to me like that? Did I do anything wrong to her?
How? I mean, are you talking about our mother?
I just told you what happened. I did nothing to her. Absolutely nothing.
I don't understand. Is she drunk? I mean, why would she say such demeaning words to you? Brother, are you really sure that you did not... You know, we have been drinking.
Will you shut up, Emeka, and follow me immediately? You too, Adeze. Both of you should follow me.
Honey, what is actually wrong?
I wouldn't know what is wrong. I don't know why mother is acting this way.
Said both of you should follow me.
Let's go.
Come.
Mother, you called us. Why did you call us out? We're having fun with my beautiful wife. And then you just popped up and asked us to follow you. Why?
Just look at you. You were there getting yourself drunk. Can't you read the handwriting on the wall?
On the wall? Mother, I am okay. What are you talking about?
So you were blind when that impostor stood before your father, declaring himself as the heir apparent to the throne, and your father did nothing.
Mommy. But I cannot see anything wrong with that. Chike was only wishing father a happy birthday like the rest of us, and he was also wishing him long life. And I also wish father long life.
Chike is not my son. His mother was your father's second wife. She came to steal my husband, but death showed her the way to her evil deeds. And I cannot sit back and watch her son take away what belongs to my son.
But Mom, if... Mom!
Babe.
Yes, Lord.
I think we should listen to your mom. I mean, she might be right.
What are you talking about? Just shut up! Shut up!
Babe.
Hmm? Brother, I have already told you that you should just ignore mother. We are still a family. You still have my support as my brother, no matter what. Okay? It doesn't mean.
He normally acts once.
Greetings, father.
Greetings, father.
Greetings to you, my son. Now listen, the both of you. Hold it. I want you to try and break it into two. Oh yes, try. Try harder, try harder.
I can't break it.
It's hard. That's good. Hand it over to your brother. And I want you to try as much as you can to break it into two.
Okay.
That's what I'm talking about.
Father,
Hand it back to me.
I thought my strength was too much, but I couldn't.
You couldn't? Okay. Let me show you something. Look at me. What does that tell you? What do you understand by this illustration?
Father, to be honest with you, I do not understand this whole illustration.
Oh, really?
Because it's more like parable. I'm yet to understand why.
Yes. Okay. It means that when you are together, like the broom, it becomes really difficult to break into two. But separated, you are weak before men. Do you understand it?
Because when you took the single broom out, it was easy to break.
That's what I'm talking about.
I see.
Do you understand that?
Of course, Father, I do.
So, my sons, do not let anybody to plant an enemy discord between the both of you. Is that clear? Don't let anybody force you to begin to fight for my throne. Although I am not ready to die soon.
May the gods forbid, Father, you will live long.
Yes. Nevertheless, the heir apparent to my throne will be announced at the end of the next Ofala festival. Not even I have the power to decide who that will be. Only the spirit priest has power to do that. Besides, the both of you were born on the same day and at the same time. So whoever the spirit priest chooses to be the king, the brother, must support.
Father, this is to say that Chika and I are twins then?
Chike's mother died when he was barely 5 years old, and your mother stood in for her.
For a reason, kingship is of the gods, and not for man to decide who to be king. It's a sacred thing, only the gods will decide. Oh, hey. And Kanonya chimeleze kabeze
Can someone I call my mother talk to me in that manner? Hell no. My mother will not My mother will never. I don't blame her. I blame death. I blame death in this whole situation. Mother, where are you? Your son has been mocked.
You are a man. Do not let anyone humiliate you in your father's house. This is your father's house. I understand the place a mother holds in every child's life. But I'm here for you. I will fill that gap. I will be your mother, your sister, your very best friend. I promise to fill the gap. You just have to be strong. You are a real man.
Rise! Rise! Rise, O morning star of our land. Escalating, the day bends your will. Your shadow is long, and your name heavy as iron. Rise! From the east to the west, the earth awaits your word. Rise, Escalating, the lion who does not sleep twice. Ebubaku biko binye ni budike. Rise, Escalating.
Oganagi! Your Majesty. Oganagi! Hey! Hey! No! No! Hey! 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 I don't know. He's not breathing. He's not waking up.
Dad? Dad! Dad! Oh my God. What is it?
It's your father.
What is it?
Please wake up.
What is it?
He's not talking.
Come to the palace now. Don't ask questions. Come to the palace now. Who is that? Who is that? Semo. Stop breathing. Ogaragiri! Ogaragiri! Ogaragiri!
I heard you guys screaming. What happened? What happened? Talk to me now. Somebody should see something. What happened? Oh God. What is it now? Open your mouth and talk. What happened? Igwe. Igwe did what?
Igwe.
It's like Igwe has joined his ancestors. Stop it. Stop it. I can see that you have started with this cheap gossip in this palace.
This is not gossip. This is not gossip. As I'm telling you now, the chief priest is coming downstairs. Yeah? We saw this thing with our 2 eyes. And she's telling the truth. Hi.
Go and check for yourself. You can go and check for yourself.
You guys are not serious, are you?
We are serious. You have to believe us. Are you not hearing that sound? Are you not hearing it? The chief priest is coming down, as I'm telling you.
No. I have to wake up. No.
Drive ambulance from the hospital, just right there. What kind of negligence is this? They're not picking. Oh my God. Hello? Where are you people? How many minutes will it take you to get here? What kind of stupid traffic? My friend, take another route. My prince. There won't be need for that. Ogaragidi had joined his ancestors. What?
We're talking about to prepare for his final ofala ceremony.
Oh no, oh no. Hey! Ogaragidi anabago. Yeah, Ogaragidi. Ogaragidi anabago. Obala tule kasava. 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 Obala tule onabago. Obala tule kasava. Ogaragidi ebulugo egwu ọbala tule we nabazia. Ah! Dikenugo. Dikenugo Ogaragidi ugo jikwa ogo gisi o. Iwe tulugo we nabazia. Hey! Obala tule onabago. 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 Obala tule we nabazia.
The mighty Iroko has fallen in the stillness of night. Hey. The river that fed the land has gone dry. The drum that called nations, all great nations together, beats no more. Ago. The lion has returned to the earth, and the forest mourns. Okisina, Dike.
Strange things are happening, so many unspeakable things. So who's to be blamed? Who's that chosen king? Yeah. Strange things are happening, so many unspeakable things. So who's to be place. Who's the chosen king? Yeah.
Tension. Oh no. The Igwe Eze Ogadagidi had joined his ancestors.
Hey! Gods of our land! Hey! How are the mighty falling? Hey! Oh, my joker. What? No.
Mother, what is going on? What are you talking about?
Son, I'm not asking for too much. I just want you to use this opportunity, seize it, declare yourself king. Don't you understand simple English?
I do understand simple English, and that is why I'm trying to see if you are not actually running.
Call me crazy, and I will smack the daylight out of you. Just try me.
But mother, what about Chike?
Will you shut up and stop talking about Chike, you this stupid boy? Are you senseless and dumb? Listen to me. Just listen. You and Chike, you are practically like twins. Born same day, same time. You are mates. So why would you allow him to walk over you as if you are his younger brother?
Mother, all this that you are talking about, I do not care. I do not want to compete with anyone to become the next king of our kingdom. Mother, I do not want to compete with my brother. He's the only brother I have. What?
Emeka, if you don't want to become king, I will kill myself.
What?
Yes, you heard me well. Sit on your father's throne. Be the king. Else, you will bury me. His mother kicked me out of this palace when I was pregnant with you. I went through hell. But for your death, I would not become a queen today. Son, all this will not be for nothing. It will not be for nothing. Please, son, say something. Talk to your mother. Do you want them to treat us like an outcast once again? I'm not asking for too much, son. Just listen to your mother. The throne is your birthright. Claim it. Sit on it. Be the king. Please, my son, do not fall my hands. Please.
You don't fight for kingship. Makanonya chimeleze gabazenunu for a reason. Kingship is of the God, and not for man to decide who to be king. It's a sacred thing, only the gods will decide. Oh, hey. Anazezazo Adiazezazo Kanonya chimeleze kabeze Adiazezazo Anazezazo Adiazezazo Onye chimeleze kabuneze Kingship is not of contest, and you don't force it. It's a sacred thing and a nation thing from our fathers, and no man can defy the dynasty. You don't fight for kingship. Makanonya chimeleze gabazenunu for a reason.
What is my prince?
What did they just address me as?
What is my prince?
Are you stupid? You are mad! You senseless slave! Look at me once again. Address me again.
What is my prince?
How dare you! On your knees immediately! My name is King Emeka Obidike, the Ogada Gidi, the fourth of Ogazi Kingdom. Can you hear how beautiful that sounds? Can you hear how beautiful it sounds?
Yes.
Now, repeat after me. Address me as such.
Your Majesty, King Chike.
Huh? Did you call Chike? You're very stupid. How dare you? How dare you? How? Are you stupid? How dare? Oh yeah. Say it. Say it. King Emeka Obidike Ogadagidi, the fourth of Ogazi Kingdom. I love the sound of that. Now hold your two ears. Now call me King Emeka Ogadagidi. You stupid fool. I am not like that stupid, useless Chike who at my mercy can still be addressed as a prince. Chike, I know you can hear me. You are a bastard prince. You are nothing in this palace. I am the king, and you remain a prince at my mercy, and there is nothing that you can do. Your stupid and useless mother almost ruined this kingdom with her selfishness and evil heart. But because of my mother's good deeds and hard work, Ogazi Kingdom still remains. And that makes me the undisputed king. And you stupid slave dare stand before me and address me as a prince. Next time I will have the guards behead you. And that makes me the king. Now get up! Before I breathe, vanish. Are you?
My love, come on. Wait. You have to calm yourself down. Trust me, it's not worth it.
It's not worth it? He called my mother names.
I know.
How brazen!
Listen to me. You don't have to act irrationally. Believe me.
I better teach that boy the lesson of his life.
No, please, no. You cannot act out of anger. You have to calm down and let us think. Listen, calm down. Have you had lunch?
I don't want to eat.
Come on, Chike. Joma said she's done with the food. Let's go eat.
I don't want to eat.
Chike, don't do this. Don't make me chase after you.
Guards, Your Majesty. What are you expected to do when you see your king?
Your Majesty.
You're stupid.
Thank you, Your Majesty.
You're a very good boy. How majestic it feels. Tell me what other man has a kingdom that is more befitting to be king and to rule its people. Tell me! What a beautiful sight to behold. The throne, the crown, it is mine today. It has always been mine, even before I was born. And it will always continue to be mine. Because I, Emeka, King Emeka, will rule forever. Hey, stop! Come on. Kill it! Where is the snake? Come on, kill that snake! You fools! Come on, kill it! Come here! Come on, kill it! Come on, kill it! What is the snake? You better not be snake! Snake for it! Yes! Come on, let's go! Run! Yes, Mama. Yes, Mama. How am I meant to kill? Darling, how big it is! It is real! Snake! It is real! How do you think that?
Do not try that. What's the fuss about? So, it's just a snake. Of course. The gods made all creatures, and we are meant to coexist with these creatures. Don't worry. I'll take it out.
Take it out. I will not be here for you to do that. Hey!
My prince, it's your wife, Princess Inkem. Princess Inkem saw a snake and carried it on her hand on the throne.
Eh?
Yes.
Snake!
Do you believe what I've been telling you? Do you now believe me? I have been saying it all the while, but you wouldn't listen to me. Your brother's wife is evil. That woman is a witch. I see all she does. In my dreams, I have this evil nightmare about her, and I know it's all true. She kept that snake on the throne. I know it for sure.
A snake on my throne. On my throne.
Baby, listen to me. I see what I see. I am not hallucinating. I am not hallucinating. I see it in my dreams. That girl is evil. She's a witch. You need to throw her out of this house because literally everything that she does is evil.
Adeze,
Would you just shut up? Shut up!
Why are you making it look like I'm stupid? Why is everybody seeing me as if I'm mad? I am not mad. I am sane enough to know what I am talking about.
Can you just keep quiet for once?
She's evil! She's evil! I know what I'm saying! People are making me look like I'm stupid!
Strange things are happening. So many unspeakable things. So who's to be blamed? Who's that chosen king?
Hey! You! Hey! Hey! Hey!
What has gotten into them? What is wrong with everyone in the palace You know what? Just come here. Come. Come. What's wrong with everyone in the palace today?
Nothing. Nothing.
You sure it's nothing? Okay, if you say so. And where did you keep the napkins? They've all lost their voices also.
You held a snake with your bare hands? A poisonous thing with your bare hands? Why?
First of all, not all snakes are poisonous. Secondly, I took it out. I mean, I'm still alive. I'm not dead, am I? Honey.
Did you even wash your hands?
Ouch. Wow. Really? Even you?
Mother. Why are you dragging me? Mother, do you not think it is extreme? What is happening? Why would you even suggest such a thing?
Will you shut up, you this senseless boy? What is your problem? Just listen to me and hear me out.
Mother, but do you not think that you are taking this too far? This is
the only way you can eat your cake and have it.
Mother, but you cannot eat your cake and have it.
In this case, it's very possible to eat your cake and have it, so long you are willing to work with your mother.
Okay. Okay, what are you doing? Okay.
Sit again. Oh no, not again, not again, not again, not again. What is it? Eh? What is it? Eh? I got to work, I get back home, and I can't have a good night's rest. Please excuse me. Enjoy your bed. Enjoy your sleep.
Baby. Baby, don't leave me.
Ready? Listen and listen very carefully. Do a clean job. No mistakes. Do you understand?
Yes, sir. Confirm. Yes, sir. On target.
Mother, any moment from now, he will be joining his ancestors.
That's my boy, whom I trained so well.
Somebody help me! Somebody help me!
Ogadagidi. Ogadagidi one.
I am the one. You see, I always doubted you, but you're indeed a master planner. I was foolish. Thanks to your wisdom.
And you are the real executioner. I plan, you execute it perfectly. The only thing you have to do for me now is to follow my instructions. Ogadagidi one.
Oh, you know I will follow your lead, oh?
Oh,
Good day.
Strange things are happening, so many unspeakable things. So who's to be blamed? Who's that chosen king?
Mother! Mother! What are we going to do? What are we going to do? Please say something. What are we going to do, Mother? Mother!
There must be a way out. Come rain, come sunshine. Chike will not live long to sit on that throne.
I've written down the necessary things you should buy. So I want you to go add up rice, a bag of rice. She mentioned not having rice in the house, so just check it. Make sure you add rice. It's very, very important.
Oh, Ada, I have been looking for you. I didn't know you were here.
Looking for me?
Of course, I have.
Why?
Are you okay? Is she okay? What is wrong with everyone? Is there a fever or a bug?
My dear, you should have seen the look on her face. Sometimes I wonder if that woman had a little problem. Because why would she be scared of her own sister-in-law? It doesn't make sense.
I bet you know the answer to that question.
Of course I do. Princess Adeze has gone crazy. You know I said it when the prince married her. And I'm saying it again. She has gone crazy. What do you think?
Well, I think I'm about to make dinner, and there is no rice in this house.
See, that's what you keep joy. I don't blame you. It is me that stood so low to come and talk to you. Rubbish. Get out.
Honey, please listen to me. I'm begging you. I know what I am saying. That woman is evil. In fact, as it stands now, I do not want to be the queen again. Just take me away from here, please. I'm begging you. I don't want to stay here again. I don't want to be the queen again. I'm fed up. I want to leave. Please, baby, please.
If not for the fact that I have enormous love for you, I would have left my furious fist on your pretty face. Adeze, are you okay? How dare you come to me, asking me to forgo my birthright? Are you mad?
Baby, I know what I am saying. Trust me, I know what I am saying. I am not hallucinating. Please, listen to me. You have to listen to me. Please.
You listen to me! What is wrong with you? What has come over you? Are you going crazy? This should be the first and last time that you come to me to interrupt my peace of mind with your stupid excuses and reasons. Fix your insecurities.
Baby, I'm serious. You know what I'm saying? Please. I am not hallucinating. I know what I'm saying.
Adeze! Get hold of yourself. Are you running mad? This is what we all want. To rule this kingdom. Do not back out. Fix yourself and get ready.
Babe. I know I'm saying things. I know what I'm saying. Babe, please. I do not want to be the queen again. Just take me away from here, please.
Strange things are happening. So many unspeakable things. So who's to be blamed? Who's that chosen king?
Okay. Okay. What is this? Nkem?
How are you?
I'm fine, Your Majesty.
Who has this cup of tea?
Your Majesty is for Prince Chike.
For who?
It's for Prince Chike.
Drop it down, leave.
Drop it and leave!
Leave here.
Maid, are you there? Guard! Oh, snake! Snake, snake!
Son, you said you saw a snake in the kitchen?
Yes, mother, I did. I saw the snake for myself. I saw it with my bare eyes. It was alive, active. It was there. I saw it. I did.
And you threw the poison away?
Mother, what will you have me do? What will you have me do? Yes, I threw it away. What would you have me do? What other choice do I have? What other choice did I have? If I still see it now, I am still going to throw it away.
I did, mother! What would you have me do about it?
Where is it?
It's Kapil. So just hide.
Did you say hide?
Yes.
I don't think I cannot do this, so I cannot do this at all. I think we have to go and inform Princess Nkem to come and help us out. Me, I'm scared though. I cannot do this. I'm not seeing anything, please. I'm out of here. No.
Strange things are happening, so many unspeakable things. So who's to be blamed? Who's that chosen king?
There's nothing here. Just shush it. Ladies, get back to work. There's nothing. It's free. Get back to work. There's nothing in here. Listen, I want the food ready, okay? I've told you there's nothing here, so get to work and stop being lazy.
Go like this now. Go now. I command you to go. Am I not your head?
Hey, Strange things are happening, so many unspeakable things. So who's to be blamed? Who's the chosen king?
I really don't know why he's behaving like that towards me. I'm his elder brother. I'm his blood. We're supposed to live together as one. Why is he treating me like... I don't know. What's...
An enemy,
Exactly.
right? My love, you need to calm yourself down. If there's anything I'm certain about, that's the fact that you are the king of this kingdom. And anyone who doesn't like it can go to hell for all I care.
I want to ask you a question. What if I decide to give up the throne? What
Give
will you
up
do?
the throne?
Yes.
You won't try it. You won't do that. No, you won't, because I won't let you.
You don't fight for kingship. Makanonya chimeleze gabazenunu for a reason. Kingship is of the God, and not for man to decide who to be king. It's a sacred thing, only the gods will decide. Oh, hey. And I says I saw.
It indeed feels very powerful. Carved by the best craftsmen ever in the history of mankind. It is perfect for the best humans. And I, Emeka, is one of them. You are going to be mine from today henceforth. You will be mine tomorrow, and you shall remain mine forever. Today is the day that I take what is rightfully mine, the throne. Today is that beautiful day that the gods themselves created, that I, Emeka, will become king and rule my people. It is indeed a beautiful day. I am going to coronate myself, even without the presence of the Ono and the elders, because the gods themselves have already blessed me to be king. May my ancestors bear me witness as I take what is rightfully mine.
God! 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 That's what it was there. Go! Go! It was there! Check everywhere! Check everywhere! It was on the seat! Look! If that snake will kill you, check! The snake was here! Check! Mother, come! Hurry up! Oh! Check! Go! Mother! I saw a snake. A very mighty snake right here. On the ground. I saw it. Come and look for the snake! Yes! On the throne, mother! It was here! All of you! Search for the snake! Search!
There is nothing, Your Majesty.
Are you calling me a liar? Are you calling me a liar? Your Majesty! Are you calling me a liar? Find the snake! Find it! Find the Find it! Find it!
Strange things are happening, so many unspeakable things. So who's to be blamed? Who's that chosen king? Yeah. Yeah. Oh, zim, zim, yeah, yeah. Zim, 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 oh, strange things are happening, so unspeakable things. So who's to be blamed? Who's that chosen king? Yeah. Yeah. Oh, zim, zim, yeah, yeah. Zim, zim, yeah. Zim, oh,
Get out.
Mother! What is it?
Mom?
Mother, what is it? Are you okay?
Mom, what?
You screamed so loud. Mother,
My queen.
what is it? Mother, can you say something at least?
My queen.
Strange things are happening, so many unspeakable.
My queen. Oh, you sure you're okay?
So who's to be blamed? Who's that chosen king?
I need to check my queen.
Yeah. Oh. Zim.
Come here. Hurry up! Run!
Majesty.
Listen to me. The sitting room, the dining, and the kitchen. No one should come close to it. Do you understand?
Yes, Your Majesty.
What did I say?
No one should come close to the kitchen or the dining.
And
And sure.
The sitting room?
The sitting room, Your Majesty.
Are you stupid?
No. Sorry, Your Majesty.
Good. Tell this information to the other guards and the maids. Okay. Do you understand?
Yes, Your Majesty.
Now leave.
You don't fight for kingship. Makanonya chimeleze gabazenuna for a reason.
I don't understand. Is it just me? Or we are living in a horror story where everybody has gone crazy? What is happening in this palace?
I don't know, Amaka. I have no idea anymore. I think we need to leave this place. Let's go.
Kingship is not of
Mom, Mother, what happened in there? What did you see? Mother, please talk to me. What did you see? What happened in there, Mother? Please, talk to me.
Son, just promise me. Promise me you must take the throne. Promise me on no account will you leave it.
Mother, I will not give up. I won't give up, I promise you. I promise you, Mother. I promise you.
Good. You must keep to your promise. You must keep to your words. No one else will sit on that throne but you.
Of course I know. Because you know what is worth doing is worth doing well. So I figured that should be the best thing for me to...
Yes. And I believe these great ideas of yours will transform this community.
Yes, of course, I know. Yeah, hello, Emeka?
Yes. Armed robbers are in the house.
What? Armed robbers?
Armed robbers! Armed robbers! Armed robbers! Yes. Yes, that is why I am just talking calmly. They've broken, they have killed 2 of our guards already. I am at the walkway, come and meet me. Hurry up. I am waiting. Come. What?
In the palace? Yes. No, don't go. Don't go.
No, just stay here, come. Stay here, come.
What? You have to be careful. Go back. You have to be careful.
Thank you.
Sorry.
This is serious. Sorry.
If you dare touch my leg again, I curse the day you were born. I hate you, and I hate you so much with your miserable life.
Don't you dare speak to my husband in that manner. What is wrong with you? Honey, you know what? Let's leave this place. He doesn't need your help.
Why
so let's
are
leave.
you insulting me? I was only trying to help you. I didn't push you down the staircase.
And did I ask you for help? Did I? Let's just... let me be. If you touch me one more time, I swear to the gods, I will spit on your miserable face.
Try it, Emeka. Try it and I will strangle you to death.
It's okay. You can leave, please. I'll take care of him. He'll be fine.
My love, he can die for all I care. Let's leave this place.
Yes,
he
please.
does not deserve it. Let's go.
Please, I'll take care of him. He'll be fine.
Go. Try it.
Leave.
Idiot.
You don't fight for kingship.
Now I feel more pressure on my leg.
Kingship is of the God and not for man to decide.
Honey, you wear yourself out like this. Calm down.
This is not fair. Why does he hate me so much? Am I not his brother?
His brother? How sure are you about that? I mean, wasn't his mother your father's whore? She was always cheating on him. So, he decided to leave her. All of a sudden, she said she was pregnant with Emeka.
Will you shut up and say what you know?
I will when you cut yourself some slack. Stop this thing you're doing. You know what? I'll just go in there and make you something to eat. When I get back, you better be calm and relaxed and very hungry. Excuse me.
Tell me something, Choma. Have you actually seen this snake we're talking about? I mean, apart from that first day that the princess removed it from the throne room.
No.
Then why is it that it is only Prince Emeka that have seen it?
My dear, even the queen has seen it.
As if you don't know. Like mother, like son. What else do you expect? Two things are involved. It is either the prince has gone crazy or the queen is mad.
Hey!
Amaka! What is it? I don't even like that woman. She's too mean. I don't like her one bit.
In fact, what you are seeing here now is my shadow. Me and you did not do any kind of discussion like this.
Yeah, stop it. Is it because I came here to talk to you?
The queen is mad.
It's like people don't know you don't know your senior, Abi?
See, in fact, I am going to go and continue what I'm doing inside.
Please go.
We did not do any discussion.
Look at this one. Ngweke feeling funky. What are you feeling like?
My queen, please. Listen to me. I know what I am saying. I know what I see in this house. That girl is evil. She's a bad person. My queen. In fact, I know for sure that she's responsible for what happened to my husband. I know for sure, please. Believe me.
What do you want me to do? You want me to walk to a fellow princess? Accuse her of being a snake when you have no proof?
My queen, that is not what I am.
Your husband has always told me you're a weakling. I never believed him till now. So Adeze, you are afraid of a fellow human being simply because you saw a snake in your dream?
No, my queen,
Get out of my sight.
My queen.
I said, out of my sight, stupid girl.
I know what I am saying.
Get out!
I am very sure what I'm seeing.
Imagine a princess with coconut head, nothing in her brain.
My prince.
I'm just coming from the throne room. I can't find any snake there. There is no snake inside there.
What do you mean there is no snake? Everyone in the palace is complaining of snakes. Did you check well? There's snake there.
Have you seen these snakes with your eyes?
Well, not exactly, but
Not exactly means...
Oh, wait, it means no. Yes. Apart from the day I rescued one from the throne, we haven't seen any snakes.
Why are you hiding things? Why are you lying? Can't you say the truth? What do you mean there is no snakes? We've seen snakes in different occasions.
The only thing we've been witnessing in this palace is madness. 2 people displaying their disease instead of going to a madhouse. That is it.
Enough! Iboni Bakulu. Nwata kotu yote na aru ni mana kotu minte na okwa aka akpọkọta onye asa afia n'anya ife melebende agwazina m mekwe a na-alasị Adam before alabadadara nda. My prince, I know how to settle all these things. There is no snake in this palace. There is no snake in this palace. I take my leave now.
Strange things are happening, so many unspeakable things. So who's to be blamed? Who's that chosen king?
Okay. What are you doing with that crown? Am I not talking to you? What are you doing holding the crown? Okay.
What is it? 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 What is it?
You sure?
I'm fine.
Okay.
I'm okay. Such a breath of fresh air.
Yeah, it is.
After all said and done. It's something that...
Greetings, brother. Okay. How are you? Chike. I want to have a discussion with you.
I'm not in the mood to have any discussion with you. Leave my peace.
Chike, my dear brother. Can you just hear me out? Please.
Babe, please, excuse us. Just 1 minute.
Chike, I am very sorry. I know I am a bad person as it is. All I ask for is your forgiveness. I am very sorry. Please. No? Forgive me. It was never my intention to be king. I have never wanted to be the king of this kingdom. It has never crossed my mind. I don't know what came over me. This was all my mother's plan. It was all her doing. You know very well how she's going to react if I tell her no to her biddings and her wishes. You know this thing. Please, as a brother, I am very sorry. Oh? Please.
Chukwemeka, it's fine. I have forgiven you. It's okay. We are brothers. Come sit.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Come and sit. Easy.
Make it. Oh,
Sorry.
yeah. You and your wife were enjoying yourselves. I said, let me also take off. And then later we'll go out and have a proper drink.
Where are you? Why did you go out with him? After everything I've told you, what is wrong with you? That is if he doesn't poison you first. Chike, please, come home to me. Please.
He died of a snake bite.
Yes, mother. The man we paid to kill Chike, he's dead.
Just like that.
Yes, just like that. Mother, what do we do now? What is our next step?
Hello? The man you sent to execute the plan, he died of a snake bite. Yes, just like that. Please, before things get out of hand, I need you to send someone stronger and more powerful. Bikono, eh? I feel that the person that is doing this is somewhere with him. Though we don't have any proof, but I can feel it. Because no matter how hard we try, all efforts proves abortive. Yes. How many times have we tried? We've tried many times, but nothing is working out. Please, send someone stronger and more powerful this time. Because you What? You are laughing? This is not a laughing matter. Do I look like a comedian to you? That you can't do any other thing? Hello? Hello? Hello?
Mother.
He just hung up.
What did he say? What did he say, mother?
Yeah.
Ha! Hey, a snake bite? Just like that? This is serious. Wait. My love, how are you even sure it was a snake bite?
So I don't know a snake bite when I see one. Have you forgotten I'm a medical doctor?
Huh. I mean, I was just asking, no harm intended, you know. But thank God. Thank God nothing happened to you, my love. Tell me, what would you have? Let me get you some food.
Is it that you're heartless or something? Someone died and you're talking of food?
So you won't eat because somebody died. Life goes on, right? Come on. I presume you don't want to die with the person. You have to eat too. Well, something really sumptuous was made. And I bet you are going to like it. My darling. My heartbeat. Come. You like it.
I'm not really in the mood to eat.
I know you're not in the mood. Oh, your glasses. I know you're not in the mood. That's why I'm here to always put you in the mood, right? What is wrong with you, woman? Why are you afraid of your fellow human?
I just want to leave in peace, please. Let me go.
Oh, what? You would die of fear?
Please. I don't want trouble from you. Let me just go. I'm begging you, please.
What is it?
I'm sorry.
Mind my leg.
I'm sorry. Nkem.
Can't you talk? What is the problem?
I saw Nkem inside the kitchen. She was manifesting.
Adeze.
Yes.
Where is my food?
I'm serious.
Huh? I am asking you, where is my food? Adeze.
Baby.
Oh goodness me, what's the matter with you?
Baby. I was just... Sorry.
Why are you so opinionated right now? Can you get me food already? Can you get me food? Oh goodness.
What's the problem?
Nothing.
You know that's a lie.
Well, I just came to tell you that food is served. We should go eat.
Can you talk to me?
Everything is fine. Let's go eat.
Strange things are happening, so many unspeakable things. So who's to be blamed? Who's that chosen king? Yeah. Strange things are happening, so many unspeakable things. So who's to be blamed? Who's the chosen king? Yeah. Yeah. Oh, zim, zim, yeah, yeah. Zim, zim, yeah. Zim, oh, strange things are happening, so many unspeakable things. So who's to be blamed? Who's the chosen king? Yeah. Yeah. Oh, zim, zim, yeah, yeah. Zim, zim, yeah. Zim, oh, strange things are happening, so many unspeakable things. So who's to be blamed? Who's the chosen king? Yeah. Yeah. Oh, zim, zim, yeah, yeah. Zim, zim, yeah. Zim, oh,
What is it? What is it? Why can't you just let me sleep? What is it? What is your problem?
My leg.
How? How did it happen? I'm coming. How did it happen?
Oh, baby.
Hey, don't you dare call my name. Stop accusing me falsely. What is wrong with you? Eh? Tell us, what really happened to you?
My love, just calm down.
Honey,
Calm down.
no, let me ask her. Is this a ploy to set me up? Did you actually get the snake to bite you so you can accuse me?
I swear by the gods, I know what I'm talking about. Kim, why did you do this to me? She did it.
You know what? I have had enough of this nonsense. I won't stand here being insulted.
I am not lying. I'm not exaggerating. I know what I saw.
Will you shut up, you this girl? One more word from you, I'll make sure I check you into the loony bin. What is your problem?
Everybody's asking you to shut up. Just shut up. What are you talking about?
I know what I'm saying. I know came to do to me. I know.
Did you hear when I said you should shut up?
I was looking for you.
I was here. Besides, I'll always be where you can find me.
I thought you were angry.
Why would I be angry? You know what? You haven't had fruits this week, and I got these for you, so have some.
Thank you.
Mother, I'm really, really scared. What is going on? What is happening? The snake bite was real. I saw it myself. Mother, what is going on? What is happening? I'm beginning to lose my patience. Could it be that Father is angry at me for converting what is not mine?
Son, you don't convert what is yours already.
That is the point, Mother. That is the point. What is the essence of it? I can't even sit on the throne. Then what makes me the king? I am not the king if I can't sit on the throne. I can't even wear the crown that belongs to the king of this kingdom. So how am I the king? I am not. I am tired. I'm exhausted. I don't even have anything
Now
to
listen,
go.
son. Listen clearly and very well. You must sit on that throne. You must wear the crown of this kingdom. You must be king. Else, I will burn down the entire building. I will burn down this palace.
My prince, finally, there is a solution to the snake problem in the palace. Take. That is a necklace bead. Whenever they wear it, anybody that wears it, it will prevent the snake from reaching the person. The snake might not even fight anybody that's putting this bead on his neck. Share it among all the royal staff in this kingdom. Share it among all your staff in this palace. Do that and this problem will be solved.
You can also wear it.
Yes. Everybody, I said everybody in the palace
should wear
should wear it wherever they are going.
Once you wear it, the snake will never see you or talk more of biting anybody.
Yes.
Thank you so much. This is good. Thank you.
Welcome.
The prince gave me this to give to everyone because that we must put it on at all time. It is for prevention against snake bites. So if you like, you remove your own. Whatever happens to you, you have yourself to do. Here. Take. Wear it at all times, oh. Me, I've said my own. If you like, you remove it. Snake bites you, you know.
Be careful, please. Promise me you'll be careful.
You worry too much. Of course, I'll be careful. Nothing is going to happen to me.
Well, you're living with that crazy brother of yours. Why won't I be worried?
You don't have to be worried. Not when I'm coming back as a king.
Of course, you will be coming back as a king.
Do not come back home at all if you are not king.
Mother.
What I mean, you must do everything within your power to make sure you become king. You were born to be a king. Nobody should stop you from being that.
Ise.
Go and possess your position.
Thank you, mother.
Good luck.
You don't fight for kingship. Makanonye chimeleze gabazenunu for a reason. Kingship is of the God and not for man to decide who to be king. It's a sacred thing, only the gods will decide. Oh, hey. Anazezazo Adiazezazo Kanonye chimeleze kabeze Adiazezazo Anazezazo Adiazezazo Onye chimeleze kabuneze Kingship is not of contest, and you don't force it. It's a sacred thing and a nation thing from our fathers, and no man can defy the dynasty. You don't fight for kingship. Makanonye chimeleze gabazenunu for a reason. Kingship is of the God and not for man to decide who to be king. It's a sacred thing, only the gods will decide. Oh, hey. Anazezazo Adiazezazo Kanonye chimeleze kabenze Adiazezazo.
Switched off? How? Come on, why would you just connect, please? Oh my God. He's back!
Yes! Omekanaya is back to his royal palace. Where is everybody? Where is everyone? Come down and give me my rightful respect. Come and worship me. I am back to my palace.
Where is my husband?
Where is everybody?
Emeka, I am talking to you. Where is my husband?
It is your majesty. King Emeka. You will address me with total respect as your king.
I ask you again. Where is my husband?
Omeka Naya.
Oh.
Ebube Dike. Eze Dike. The Ogadagidi one of Ogazi Kingdom. Ogadagidi the fourth of Ogazi Kingdom. Congratulations, my son.
Mother.
You have done well, my son.
Thank you so much,
You
Mother.
are welcome.
Thank you so much.
Hey! And let me welcome you properly. All hail the king. What are you people doing? Come here! Bow before your king. Bow. You don't know what it means to bow. You don't know. You bow down, bow. All hail my king. Ogadagidi the fourth of Ogazi Kingdom. Anu anegbe ya na atanri. Eze Dike. Gaga no ogu. Okiripo. Isi mmiri ji ofo. Ogadagidi. Asimum na-ekwu ị na-aga. Come, let us go in and plan your coronation. You see this kingdom. This entire kingdom belongs to you and you alone.
Mother, you have done so noble. I am going to give you my first blessing as the king of this kingdom.
I bow before you, your majesty.
May your days be long. And may you enjoy the reign of your son.
He said...
You are blessed, mother.
You are blessed also. Ebubedike!
Hey!
Neje!
Hey!
Kapa! Alusi nejoka. Ebubedike!
What's wrong?
Everything is wrong. I can't find him. I do not know where he is. He didn't come back home.
Time and age. We are not supposed to be traveling all the way to native doctors to do that. That's wrong.
Snake!
Strange things are happening. So many unspeakable things. So who's to be blamed? Who's that chosen king?
Two kings cannot rule in one kingdom.
How could I have missed this? How could I have let this happen?
Woman, this is not the best time to tear. You have to act now.
What do I do? Where do I go from here? What next?
Go to the boundary before he crosses. You heard me. It takes 7 hours for the human spirit to cross the line between the dead and the living. Your husband is 6 hours gone, remaining 1 more hour. If you don't act now, you will lose him forever. Go now!
Please, do not do this, my love. It is not your time. You cannot live like this. You need to go back. Please, do not cross over. I am begging you, Chike. Listen to my voice. You cannot leave the throne of your fathers to murderers. Please do not go. Don't do this, please, my love. Let's just go back. Go back with me, please. Let's just go back. Let's go. Please. Turn around. Let's go back. About what happened. I'll tell you when we get back.
Orgasi people, kwenu! Rienu! Mwanu! Kwezono! People of Orgasi Kingdom and the elders, this is a great day in the history of this kingdom. It's a day we to crown our prince.
The Ogadagi, the one of Orgasi Kingdom, the fourth.
Oh yes. I, you know who of Orgasi Kingdom, hereby crown you naked.
Enough! Enough of the charade. Emeka, where is my husband?
Okay, what are you talking about?
I ask you again, Emeka. Where is my husband?
Do you understand the consequences of what you are doing? Oh no, this woman here is obviously only mad. Ask her to leave. She's interfering in our culture and traditions. Ask her to leave immediately. Leave us!
Oh no, crown my son. Don't listen to this.
Don't you dare!
Oh no! Amuraba! Emeka! Hey! Efie! Efie! Oh no! Even you. Even you. Emeka, when you came to my shrine, I asked you about your brother. Emeka, I told you to go and get your brother before we proceed. Instead, you came to this very place to be crowned.
Prince Emeka, in the presence of Ogwefi, the elders of Orgasi Kingdom, your wife, and everyone present here, where is my husband? And don't you dare lie about it.
What is she talking about?
Emeka! Speak!
You still want to deny?
I don't know what are you talking about?
Elders! Everyone! See!
Snake!
My people, I give no talk.
For so many times, you and your mother have plotted against my husband. I am sorry to disappoint you today. My husband is alive. As penance for this evil deed, you and your mother will not live to see my husband being crowned king of Ogazi Kingdom.
Bam.
Because he is the heir to this throne.
Bam. You are manipulating my people. Shut up! You are manipulating the kingdom. People of Oga's kingdom, you have seen it. Oh no. Hey, this man here and this woman will not be buried in our land. They will be taken to the evil forest because they have destroyed this land. Do I make myself clear?
Oh my God, babe! What's wrong with you? Babe, babe.
Okay, she's gone. What? She is gone.
No.
Let her be. Allow her to rest in peace.
What?
That lady there is your mother. And that was the reason why she never allowed you to touch her. She was sent to protect you. The day you were born, she prayed to the great sect of snake she belonged to that she will protect you at all costs. Protect you, protect your throne. Because she foresaw what is happening to you today. And she came to save you. That was the reason nobody was able to hurt you. The snakes that have been fighting for you whenever they arise against you was she. Now she has accomplished her mission and she has gone back to be with the Lord to rest in peace. So allow her rest in peace.
It's not the reason every time we talk about snakes, you laugh at me.
Yes, and that is why I'm still laughing. Because I knew what the snakes represents. They were never there to hurt you, but to protect you, to fight against anybody who is fighting against you, to guide you and lead you until you achieve your success. Our mission is accomplished. Fear not.
The mission has been accomplished. You are now the Igwe Ogadagidi, the fourth.
Amaka, do not be afraid, for you have found favor with the gods.
Please, my princess, I did not do anything. Please don't hurt me, please. Please, you're dead. Please don't hurt me.
I need you to do something real quick for me. Go to my husband's room. He's hurting himself. He's drinking too much. Please, stop him. You need to go now.
Yes, yes. Good morning, my prince. I'm sorry. Good morning, Your Majesty.
Sorry for yourself. What is good about this morning? I'm asking you, what is good about this morning? There is nothing good about this life. The woman I love so much is no longer with me. Nothing makes sense anymore.
Your Majesty, I understand how painful it is to lose a loved one. But please, you need to be strong. You are now the king of this great kingdom.
You are not a king. Shut up. A king. A king without a queen is useless. I'm not a king. I'm not a king without my woman. Get out of my presence now.
Your Majesty,
I said, get out!
Who says you are without a queen? I never left. I am always with you. My happiness is you finally got the throne and evil never won.
There is no throne without you by my side. We fought for this. You fought with me. And at the point I needed you most, you left me.
My mission was accomplished. I had nothing left here. Take her. She will make a good queen.
Can't, my love. She's just a maiden.
Yes, just a maiden. But she will be my replacement as queen because she has found favor with me and with the gods. My love, this will make me happy.
the kingdom. Her Royal Majesty.
Stop! You scared me. What's that? I like it. So you people like me this much, and you kept insulting me all those times, eh? But don't worry, I'm forgiving you. Don't worry, I'm forgiving you. Thank you so much. Thank you.
We're so happy for you.
I know. How can I forget you? See, I know that you people used to insult me, but you know we are still one. Even though the gods chose me, I will treat you people with respect because we are all human beings. I mean, who would have thought that me, Amaka, or 4 people will be chosen by the gods? God is wonderful. So, please. So you're looking at the next queen. Give me a hand. I don't understand. Is it because I'm laughing? You have not greeted me. Have you?
Her Royal Majesty.
What should we serve you? Nothing. It's fine. It's fine. See, I'm so happy. The gods chose me to be the next queen of Ogazi Kingdom. Yes. I'm very, very happy. Thank you so much. Yes, you took me by surprise, you know.
And we are here for you. We are here for you.
So we'll be serving you now.
Yes. I know. So look at me very well because in 4 days, in 4 days, my life will transform. Amaka, the royal queen. My step will change. Everything about me will change. You can say that again. You will not recognize me again. 4 days. I will not recognize you. Amaka. Stop it. I said I am going to treat people equally, right? But that doesn't mean you should disrespect me. Please put some respect in my name. Please call me. Oh.
Her Majesty.
Say that again.
The Queen of Ogazi Kingdom.
Say that again. Thank you so much. God has been so faithful to me. Yes. Okay, so I want to sing a song for us to use and thank God for everything He has done for me. So you're going to join me to sing this song. Let's go. Do you know the song?
Yes.
Ineme baroba.
Onyole.
Hey, I go. Anina chiriga kenu. Say you are good.
You are good.
Why am I dancing? People should dance with me.
You are kind.
You are kind. Oh.
You are good.
Hey. Omeri ene kwegi mado.
Arise, great people of Ogazi Kingdom. Let's welcome the great king, Chike Ogadagidi the Fourth. He's calling for celebration. Yes, the lion have taken the throne again. And the bloodline of the Irokos, the great Irokos bloodline, shall regain. Great people of Ogazi Kingdom, it called for celebration. Let's come together and celebrate as the new dawn has come. Great King, Chike Ogadagidi the Fourth. Come, let's celebrate. Let's celebrate. Come from the east, come from the west. Let's celebrate together. Let's celebrate.
You don't fight for kingship. Makanonya chimeleze gabazenuna for a reason. Kingship is of the gods and not for man to decide who to be king. It's a sacred thing, only the gods will decide. Oh, hey. And I says I saw. Kanonya chimeleze kapenze. and I says I saw.